Hi, my name is Paul Meredith, mortgage broker with CityCan Financial and author of Beat the Bank, How to Win the Mortgage Game in Canada. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about your credit report and how to ensure that you have solid credit. Now, just because you have a high credit score doesn't necessarily mean that your credit is solid. The credit score is only one component. Lenders are also going to be looking at what's on the credit bureau, specifically for trade lines. A trade line is basically anything that reports on the credit bureau. A credit card, a line of credit, a car loan, for example. And lenders are looking for at least two. Preferably two that are revolving, but at least one of them should be revolving. Revolving being like a credit card or a line of credit. Now, what they want to see is a minimum of 1 year history on each trade line. And they're going to want to see a minimum limit of $1,500 on each credit card. If you have higher, that's okay. If you have lower, sometimes you can get away with a limit as low as $1,000, but $1,500 will definitely make it a little bit stronger. If you can go with a little bit higher than that, then all that much better. There's no such thing as having too high of a limit. Better to have a higher limit than it is to have a lower limit. If you were to just have, let's say, a single credit card with a $500 limit that you've had for 6 months, the credit score might be very high, but you're not going to get approved for a mortgage. Lenders want to see more than that. They want to see an accurate demonstration of credit responsibility. So that's why more is always better than too little. While it is possible a lender could decline you for having too much credit, it's very, very unlikely that that will be the case. It's usually too thin of a credit bureau, too little credit, that would get you declined. So there you have it. Make sure you have two active trade lines on your credit bureau, 1 year history on each, and a minimum limit of $1,500 on each credit card. That's going to ensure you have solid credit. You're also going to want to make sure that you use those periodically. A credit card that's been sitting dormant for 3 years isn't really going to help you because lenders want to see them as active. The key word here is two active trade lines. So even if you have a credit card that's been sitting dormant, you go and put $10 on it, then pay it off right after you put the money on it, no problem at all. Then it's going to show as active on your credit bureau, and then you're good to go. My name is Paul Meredith from CityCan Financial. I can be reached by email at paulm@citycan.com. You can also call me at any time at 416-409-8009. And please visit my website at www.easy123mortgage.ca and hope to help you out on your next mortgage.